Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an outline only text effect in CapCut PC. So select default text and I'm just going to type in example. Select any font that you like. Scroll down and select this preset style and adjust the stroke of your outline. Right click, create compound clip, and add it on top of any videos that you'd like to as well. Let's do this. Select your video, go to blend mode and select screen. You can even add in an edge glow as well on top if you'd like to. You can't really see it because the background is very light, so I'm just going to adjust it to make it a little bit darker. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.